Herlings striking early from 4th to 3rd. Herlings will retaliate, and he does. He holds on to that 2nd place. And he will win race 1. Geiser and Herlings make a mistake coming out of the turn, and it's Herlings, though, who does make the pass eventually. Geiser almost into the rear wheel of Herlings. Oh, I tell you what, they were very close. If he's going to make the move here, he does. He goes into 2nd place. Jeffrey Herlings goes 1-1, puts distance between himself, Fevre here, and Geiser. And Herlings is out of the race. He cannot get fired up. Does he make the pass? He does. He controls it as well, but they're going to be side by side as they crest the plateau. Bar to bar, Fevre takes over the lead. Geiser parks Fevre on the exit of the turn. Fevre coming back at him though. Again, 3 laps in a row. And he does close down the door. He does take over the lead once more. And he will win race 1 here at Pietramarata. And Cairoli absolutely lights the place up. He pulls a massive hole shot, and it's Cairoli who leads the way. Tony Cairoli out of the final turn, a start to finish win. Tony Cairoli wins at home for the 15th time in his career. Renault, big race for him potentially, could lift the championship today. He is crowned MX2 World Champion. He does it with the Grand Prix victory. Maxime Renault, Monster Energy Yamaha will swap the red plate to gold. He is World Champion. Three riders, 3 points, 3 rounds remaining. And this time he does close off Geiser, and Geiser, how did he stay up? Cairoli has joined the party as well. Herlings and Geiser connect again. Geiser tried to run up the inside. Guess what? The fans are on their feet. And Jeremy Seewer is going to take his first win of the season, his first win in a year, his 11th career race win. The Fly Racing 15-second board up for the final time today. Herlings has thrown it away. Violent crash. Wow. Out of 4th place. Honda celebrate on the side of the track. Tim Geiser still knows, though, it's not over. The green flag is up, 30 minutes plus 2 laps. MXGP race 1. And Geiser! Oh, exactly the same crash. Cuts back to the inside. He finds his way. Oh, simultaneous scrubs. He goes around the outside. Herlings is in 2nd. Fevre, he is going to win race 1. Jeffrey Herlings works his way towards the finish line. The final turn awaits for the bullet. Jeffrey Herlings wins race number 13. He takes the Grand Prix victory as well. And Jeffrey Herlings is still in the hunt for the championship. MXGP race 1, 30 minutes plus 2 laps. Strap yourselves in once again. And Herlings down the inside. Tries to make his move around the outside of Prado as well. Coming into the final race then, Jeffrey Herlings, Romain Fevre, they are tied on points. The pressure on these two is incredible. The way they're dealing with it, absolutely phenomenal. Herlings finds his way past, and he parks Febvre to the outside. We've got a new leader on lap 2. Jeffrey Herlings is the 2021 MXGP World Champion. The most epic contest we've seen in more than 30 years.